Hi friends, welcome to SPJK Technosoft, your one-stop training and education platform. Do you have life science graduation or MBBS or BAM or B Pharmacy or M Pharmacy degree? Are you looking for a career as a pharmacovigilance officer in pharma industry? Then you have come to the right place. On 12th of October 2020, Monday at 7 p.m. SPJK Technosoft is organizing free webinar on pharmacovigilance with an expert trainer Ms. Lakshmi who is having more than 10 years of experience in pharma industry. To register for this free webinar, visit this link, and for more information check the video description. Please do like, comment, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to get latest information about the trending technologies and career-related webinars. Should you need any further information, please email us at info@spjktechnosoft.com. Thank you and goodbye.